I guess let's get going. Finally got the new grill after like a year of waiting and dealing with that mesh, gross, stupid stuff. Finally got one. Dude was selling for a good price. Found it on the marketplace while I was just looking around. So let's slap this bad boy on immediately. Gotta open this. Might be able to do it through this cover. Let's see. Okay, now we gotta grab a little couple nuts, whatever's left from in this bag of tricks from the car. So I think I just need to take these few bolts off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put 4 back on, even though there are 6, because there's one at the top here that's not gonna go in. So, I guess let's do this. Don't have a lot of room to work, but I think it should be okay. Say goodbye to that. See you later, Stinky. What do you say we just run a grill-less? This looks mint. Okay, well, it turns out these clips, top, bottom, were not drilled out. You can see the slot that's supposed to be there. 1, 2, but they're just not. So, now we gotta wait, because I gotta put the mesh back in now, because I can't put this in until I drill those slots out, and I don't have a drill here, so. Damn it.
This is the blooper reel. You wanna know something real quick, Marcus, that you don't know? You might realize it later, but your hood is held up by fucking dog meat.
Oh,
I clipped this on.
what happened to the bolt? Yeah. It was gone. That's been gone for the whole time.
Lost the bolt.
It's been gone the whole time. I don't know if we ever installed it.
Yes, we did. We had 4.
I remember this ripping through and us being like, eh. Edges are just demolished. This bolt already popped through, and these 3 are just gonna hold in until the new grill comes in. But I think we're ready for today. We got all the tools needed now finally, because we didn't drill it out last time. So we got the drill. We're gonna drill it through. If we need to, we're gonna file it, and hopefully that's it. Kayla and Haley are back. Say hi to Kayla and Haley. Hi, Kayla and Haley. We're back. So we're gonna get a little bit of help today. So I hope everything goes well. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working slowly. Sorry, this is all blowing right into you as well.
Yeah, and I'm breathing.
That's fine. So, looks like everything's actually in, but we do need to go get 2 more bolts from the hardware store for these 2, because we have 1, 2, and 3. This bottom, I think whoever made the bumper made it too far back, because the clip won't actually reach. And we have everything fully sanded down. We sanded behind here because it was contacting. This one is just barely touching. Just barely holding. So, we're gonna go to the store right now, pick up 2 more nuts, and then go from there. Guess who called shotgun?
Haley?
No. Nuts and anchors. Got them both. Oh my gosh, we have a grill again. That's absolutely crazy.
Kind of suits it.
Yeah, I like it. I miss
having a grill instead of this crap mesh we put on before. I find it so weird looking at the car on camera, how that side's dark and that side's light.
Is it? Oh yeah.
It looks funny.
Actually, now that we're done this, you can see the grill and everything's put back together. Let me know in the comments, do I do both fenders black and the bumper white, or I do both fenders white and the bumper white? I can't really tell. I know a lot of VQ owners usually do the black bumper, black hood, and then paint matched bumper. I think that's the way I want to go, because I think I'm going to start painting this by myself soon. But yeah, that looks pretty good in my opinion, honestly. Like, the chrome's going to be a little bit weird to get used to, but I think in the future I'm going to do the build your own mesh grill. On camera, it looks pretty good. The white and black's definitely Kale's right. It's tripping me out. But let me know how you guys feel in the comments below, I guess. Thanks, Kale, for the help. I appreciate the knuckle breaking filing for the last 2 hours. 20-minute jobs turned into a 3-hour job. Oh, turns into a 2J job, because I also drove to Vaughn and everything for this. 2J. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, it helps me in the channel a lot. If you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe. And by the way, we started the podcast. If I didn't already cut it into the beginning of this video, we have a podcast now. Go check it out at Cars for the most part. And I think that's just about it. So see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.